Ever wondered what to do with all those veggie scraps piling up in your kitchen? Today I'll show you how to turn them into rich worm castings for your garden by making a simple worm farm from household items. Worm farms matter because they reduce landfill waste and give you free fertilizer for your plants. Start with 2 plastic storage tubs, one for the worms, one to catch liquid. Drill small holes in the base of the top tub for drainage and air. Stack it over the second tub. Add a layer of damp shredded newspaper, a handful of soil, and your worms. Red wigglers are best, but common garden worms will do. Feed the worms small amounts of chopped veggie scraps. Avoid citrus, onions, and meat. Cover with more damp newspaper and pop on the lid, but leave it loose for airflow. Keep the farm in a shady spot and check moisture weekly. Don't overfeed. If it smells, you've added too much food. After a few months, you'll have worm castings ready to boost your garden beds. The key takeaway: a simple worm farm keeps scraps out of landfill and feeds your soil, all from things you've already got at home.